Hello, in this video I want to talk to you about the emergency lighting system. Before introducing the system, let me tell you about the equipment I used. We have an RTC date, time and clock module, an Arduino Nano, a 12-volt LED lamp, and an LDR photo sensor. The working principle is as follows. Normally there is a small LED bulb lit in front of this LDR, and this LED bulb is connected to the mains power. If the electricity goes out for any reason and the environment is dark, this LED will automatically turn on our lighting bulb here. If the environment is already bright, even if the LED goes out, since this LDR is still exposed to light, my lamp doesn't need to turn on automatically. Now let me talk about the working principle. When the LDR here is in the dark, the system counts for 5 seconds. This is to check whether the electricity is on or not. If the electricity comes back within these 5 seconds, our lamp won't turn on anyway. If the electricity doesn't come back within 5 seconds, and now we're simulating this, 5 seconds pass. Now our lighting lamp has turned on. Even if the electricity comes back, the system continues to wait for 15 seconds. If there is still no electricity at the end of 15 seconds, the lamp keeps staying on. If the electricity comes back at the end of 15 seconds, in other words, if our LDR is exposed to light again, then the system shuts itself off. That's how the operating principle works. Apart from that, for simulation purposes, I connected an LED bulb here. I used a night lamp in the system. The operating principle of the night lamp is actually simple. We can turn it on and off with the switch here, but I added a command into the Arduino. I programmed the Arduino with a command to turn on the lamp every night at 12:15. So every night at 12:15 our lamp turns on. And since we might forget to turn it off in the morning, I wanted it to calculate sunrise and turn it off accordingly. Every day it calculates the sunrise. In the morning it could be 2 minutes past 7 or 4 minutes past 7. Since these times change every day and every month, the Arduino calculates the sunrise. For example, if it turned off at 2 minutes past 7 today, tomorrow it will automatically turn off the night lamp at 4 minutes past 7. Or you can also turn the night lamp on and off yourself from here in the same way. In the system, for driving the LEDs, I used a MOSFET instead of a relay here. We have an LDR, an RTC module, and as I mentioned, I used a 12-volt LED bulb. For simulation purposes, I used a single LED here. I will use these in my own system. The system can also be used as an emergency lighting circuit, as a generator circuit, or if desired, it can be driven with a relay.